So this sink is the end of the drain line. Everything from here rolls down through the pipes. It gets all of these ice bins, these extra sinks, and that last ice bin, and all heads out to the drain to the street. So starting from there, we're cleaning everything all the way out to the street. So I'm entering the password. I hit the plus arrow. It'll change this first digit to 1, and the password out of the box is 1000. So then I'll press enter across each digit to enter that digit in, and it will tell me my password was valid, and now I'm in the programming mode. So I'm going to press my negative arrow here to change the time to 10:15 a.m. So change that to 10, press enter to lock it in, and then change this down to 15, press enter to lock that in. That's going to ask me the day of the week it is. Today is Wednesday, so I'll press enter to lock that in. And then dispense units, we want that to be ounces, so I'll press enter to lock that in. And then after that, it'll ask me dispense amount. So we want 8 ounces, so I'll press my plus arrow until I get to 8 ounces. And then press enter to lock that in. The days dispensed, we want that to happen daily, so I'll press enter again to lock that in. And then finally, my time for dispense, it's going to ask me, you have up to 24 events. We're only going to dispense once a day, so I only need event number 1. So I'll press enter here. And then we want this to go off at 4 o'clock a.m. So that's already in the dispenser, so I press enter to lock in 4. Enter to lock in the 2 zeros, and now that's stored. So I press enter again, and it'll ask me if I want to do an event 2. I don't, so I'll press the program button, and it'll ask me if I'm done. So I press enter, and then finally it'll ask me if I want to change my user PIN. That's up to you. You can change that if you'd like to. We don't want to, so we'll leave this at N and press enter there, and now it's programmed and ready to go. So after your unit is programmed, you're going to want to prime it. So I'll just press and hold this prime button, and the motor will begin to spin. You'll eventually see the chemical come up through the pickup tube like so, and watch it until it goes all the way down into the drain. Now it's primed.